Hello, grade 4. This is Miss Susan. Today's topic is about metric units of mass and liquid volume. Lesson 12.7. And our essential question is:
how can you use models to compare metric units of mass and liquid volume?
So today we're gonna learn how to compare and convert between the metric units of mass and liquid volume. So mass is measuring weight by some units, and liquid volume is to measure the capacity of any container. So let's start and see what are these units and how we can compare between them and convert between them. So let's start. Hello folks! Are you in a gas station?
Hi there! It's another hot sunny day and the flowers are getting dry. One of the gas station owners has come out to water the flowers. Let's see how much water she put in the bucket. She filled the bucket with 5 liters of water.
So we measure volume of liquid by liters.
The directions on the fertilizer say to use 1 scoop for every 1,000 milliliters of water. Wow, that sounds like a lot of water. I wonder how many scoops of fertilizer she needs to use for the 5 liters of water in the bucket.
Let's see
Can
how
we compare
convert.
milliliters and liters?
Can you?
The words liter and milliliter sound an awful lot alike. I think that's a clue. Let's check this out.
So let's check how we can convert between liters and milliliters. Let's see.
Let's try a problem with units of mass. Becky planted a flower garden full of bluebonnets. She used 6 kilograms of soil. How many grams of soil is that? Let's unlock the problem.
So what are the givings here? She used 6 kilograms of soil. So the weight of soil is 6 kilograms. So what does he want to find? How many grams of soil is that? So she wants to convert between kilograms to grams. So let's unlock and see what is the multiplication sentence or division sentence that we're gonna use to convert between the two units.
To solve this problem, you'll compare grams and kilograms. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Metric units of mass include kilograms and grams. Kilograms are heavier than grams, so the number of grams is greater than the number of kilograms. To convert from kilograms to grams, begin with the number of kilograms Becky used. Multiply by 1,000 because there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. What is the solution?
Okay, so as we said in the previous lesson, that to convert from bigger unit to a smaller unit, so you need to multiply. And here, what the time that we will multiply with? First, know the relation between kilogram and gram. Each 1 gram contains 1,000 grams. This means to convert from kilogram to gram, you have to multiply by what? Yes, bravo, by 1,000. This is the relation between the two numbers. So in this case, to convert from big number to small number, from kilogram to gram, you will multiply by 1,000. So how we multiply numbers with zeros with any number? First, put the zeros, then multiply the 2 other digits. So how many zeros do we have here? 3 zeros. Then multiply the other digits. 1 times 6 will be 6. So the answer will be 6 and 3 zeros. This means 6,000 grams.
6,000 grams. So Becky used 6,000 grams of soil to plant her bluebonnets.
Let's see another example.
Let's solve a problem with liquid volume. Becky used 4 liters of water to water her bluebonnet garden. How many milliliters of water is that? Let's unlock this problem.
So what are the givings here? That she used 4 liters of water. So 4 liters to measure the volume of liquid or the capacity of liquid. Okay, so what does he want to find? How many milliliters of water is that? So he wants to convert between liters to milliliters. Mean convert from bigger unit to smaller unit. This means I will multiply or divide. Bravo, I will multiply. If I convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, I will multiply. So multiply by what? That's what will we see. First, find the relation between each liter and milliliter.
We'll compare liters and milliliters to solve this problem. Liters and milliliters are metric units of liquid volume. A liter is 1,000 times as much as 1 milliliter. To convert from liters to milliliters, begin with 4 liters. Use the conversion table and multiply. What is the volume in milliliters?
L here stands for liter, and ml stands for our abbreviation of milliliter. So to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, multiply by 1,000, which is the relation between the two numbers. How we multiply 1,000 by 4? First, put the zeros. We have 3 zeros. Then multiply the other digits. 1 times 4 would be 4. So this means 4,000 milliliter.
4,000 milliliters. So Becky used 4,000 milliliters of water. There are 2 liters of water in a pitcher. How many milliliters of water are in the pitcher? First, how many milliliters are in 1 liter?
So what is the relation between liter and milliliter? Each 1 liter contains 1,000 milliliters. Bravo.
That's right, there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. What operation will you use to solve the problem?
Okay, from liter to milliliter, will you multiply or divide? From liter, which is the biggest unit, to milliliter, which is the smallest unit, I will multiply because I will move from big unit to small unit. So this means I will multiply.
Great job! You're converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, so you will multiply 2 times 1,000. What is the product?
The product is, put the zeros, 3 zeros, and 2 times 1 would be 2, so it would be 2,000.
Excellent. The product is 2,000. So there are 2,000 milliliters of water in the pitcher. Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
Thank you, grade 4, for watching. Hope that you enjoyed and understood the lesson. See you tomorrow with another lesson.
Thanks
Bye
for
bye.
your help comparing liters and milliliters. Now the fertilizer directions make sense. Come back again soon.